In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in Flixier. Start by opening your Flixier project and then click on the Subtitles option from the left side of the screen. You will see different subtitle methods, but for this tutorial, you will choose Manual Subtitles. As soon as you click it, Flixier will automatically add a subtitle layer to your timeline with placeholder text such as Subtitle 1, Subtitle 2, and Subtitle 3. Flixier uses only one subtitle layer, and inside that single layer, you manage multiple subtitle chunks with their own in and out timings. To demonstrate this, you can shorten the subtitle layer and then divide your spoken line into parts. For example, you might type "Welcome" in the first subtitle box, "To our" in the second, and "Channel" in the third. Now play your video and stop at the exact moment where the first word finishes. In the subtitle timing section, drag the out point of the first subtitle so that it ends exactly where the word finishes in the audio. Next, move the in point of the second subtitle to the same position so that it starts immediately after the first one ends. Continue playing the video and stop where the second word finishes, then drag the out point of the second subtitle to match that moment. Repeat the same process for the third subtitle block and delete any unused parts of the subtitle layer so only your actual subtitles remain. When you play the video again, you will see that your subtitles now appear perfectly in sync with the spoken audio. You can further customize your subtitles by selecting the subtitle layer and changing its position on the screen, adjusting font size, adding stroke or shadow, choosing different styles, or even applying simple animations from the right-hand panel. And this is how you can add subtitles in Flixier.